Today we're going to talk about your final test and your final project for your exponents and scientific notation unit. First of all, the test. The test is in Go Formative. It will be opened only on certain dates, submitted, and must be submitted by the last open date. So cohort 1, yours is going to start October 6th and it will end on the 12th. Cohort 2, yours will be open starting October 8th and be open until the 14th. There is no time limit. You're not going to be able to change answers after you submit, and scores will be hidden. I guess I'm not even going to say after submissions. They will be hidden. You'll know what you get later on, no answers shown. So make sure you finish all of your assignments in Go Formative and then the test. Then we have the final project. And one of my favorite questions is always, why are we learning this? So we're going to figure that part out. You need to find a real-life profession that uses really large scientific numbers, so something like this. You also need to find a real-life profession where they use really small numbers, something like this. First thing you're going to do, find two professions, one with really big numbers, one with really small numbers. Then, for each one, you're going to do three things. You are going to figure out how they use scientific notation. You're going to give me somewhere in the neighborhood of 5 to 10 examples of the scientific notation they use. And then you are going to explain how we go from standard form, so how we go from this to this. That's what you're going to do. You're going to explain that both once for really small numbers and once for really large numbers and then small numbers. Okay? So explain each of them. And then you're going to put it all in a video. You're going to make a video. So starting with one video, you're going to explain one profession, the three things you learned about them, and then the example. Then you're going to do it for the other profession, whether it's small numbers or large numbers, I don't care. Do one profession, then the next 3 examples, and how you go from standard form to scientific notation. Cohort 1, your project is due on the 20th. Cohort 2, your project is due on the 22nd. Make sure you pay attention to those dates. So let's talk about this week and next week. This week, for the week, we're starting out with NWEA testing that happened on Monday and Wednesday. Tuesday and Thursday, you are going to have a work day. You got some things to finish. We're going to finish any NWEA testing. You're going to finish all your Go Formative assignments. I will talk about the test and the final project, and then you have time to work on that. Friday is a flex day, so same assignments. Go Formative assignments, the final test, and the final project. Then next week is a short week. Only 3 days of school, 2 days in class. So cohort 1, you're there Monday. Cohort 2, you're there Tuesday. And it's going to be a work time for all of our things that we have due. Wednesday is a flex day. You are home. Again, everything paying attention to what is due. Thursday and Friday, you have no school. If you have any questions, message me. We will be talking about these things in class on Tuesday and Thursday. Thank you very much.